Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Buffer for social media analytics easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start configuring Buffer for social media analytics, first, visit the Buffer website. Sign in to your existing account or create a new one if necessary. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Analytics tab located in the main menu. Choose the social media account you want to analyze. If you haven't connected your social media profiles yet, follow the prompts to add them now. After selecting an account, you will see an overview of your performance metrics. Review the key performance indicators presented, such as engagement rates and follower growth. Scroll down to see individual posts and their analytical breakdown. To further refine your analytics, use the filters available to focus on specific time periods. Next, look for the Reports section for a more detailed analysis. Select the type of report you want to generate based on your needs. Download or export the report if you want to share it or analyze it offline. Return to the main Analytics dashboard to explore additional insights. Utilize Buffer's suggestions for optimal posting times based on your previous engagement data. Experiment with the content type that performs best and adjust your strategy accordingly. Regularly revisit your analytics to monitor progress and make necessary adjustments. Continue to explore Buffer's features to maximize your social media presence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.